Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we'll be discussing the Dell Backup Recovery, AVMR Specialist for Storage Administrators Exam Syllabus. This exam is designed to test your knowledge and skills in implementing data protection strategies, configuring and managing storage network infrastructures, and understanding software-defined storage architectures. The exam is divided into 6 domains, each with a specific weightage. The domains are Business Continuity and Archive, Storage Networking Technologies, Software-Defined Storage and Storage Virtualization, Information Storage, Data Center, and Cloud Computing, Securing and Managing Storage Infrastructure, and Object-Based and Unified Storage. The weightage for each domain is 21%, 20%, 17%, 15%, 15%, and 12% respectively. Let's start with the first domain, Business Continuity and Archive. This domain focuses on implementing data protection strategies including backup, archiving, and replication techniques for local and remote environments. You'll learn about backup and recovery operations and architecture, backup methods, targets, and deduplication types, data archiving and retention policies, cloud-based backup and archive solutions, and the impact of data deduplication on backup and recovery performance. In the Business Continuity and Archive domain, you'll also learn about local and remote replication. This includes local replication using snapshots and clones, synchronous versus asynchronous remote replication, 3-site replication topologies and disaster recovery, continuous data protection implementation, replication in virtualized and cloud environments, and service level requirements for RTO and RPO. Moving on to the second domain, Storage Networking Technologies. This domain focuses on configuring and managing fiber channel, IP SAN, FCOA, and modern NVMe-based storage network infrastructures. You'll learn about FC SAN components and connectivity options, FC architecture, protocol stack, and addressing, WWN and FC frame structure, fabric services and login types, zoning types and configuration best practices, and FC SAN topologies. In the Storage Networking Technologies domain, you'll also learn about IP SAN and FCOA. This includes ISCSI components, discovery, and connectivity, ISCSI protocol stack and PDU encapsulation, FCIP architecture and tunneling for disaster recovery, FCOA components and converged network adapters, FCOA initialization protocol and framing, and comparison of ISCSI, FCIP, and FCOA protocols. The Storage Networking Technologies domain also covers NVMe and NVMe over fabrics. You'll learn about NVMe architecture and performance benefits, NVMe command sets and queue management, NVMe over fabrics connectivity options, transport protocols for NVMe over fiber channel and TCP, implementation of NVMe in modern flash-based storage, and the impact of NVMe on application latency and throughput. The third domain is Software-Defined Storage and Storage Virtualization. This domain focuses on understanding the abstraction of storage resources and the implementation of software-defined storage architectures. You'll learn about software-defined storage architecture and attributes, SDS control plane and data plane functions, data services and management in an SDS environment, SDS deployment models and hardware abstraction, benefits of SDS over traditional storage architectures, and API-driven storage provisioning and automation. In the Software-Defined Storage and Storage Virtualization domain, you'll also learn about storage virtualization. This includes block-level and file-level storage virtualization, virtual storage provisioning and thin provisioning, compute and network virtualization integration, virtual volume architecture and management, use cases for storage tiering and cache virtualization, and hyper-converged infrastructure storage models.